Mutual funds, as we always say, are long-term investments. At dahil sila ay long-term investments, dapat po ang ating perang inilalagay dito ay para sa ating pagre-retiro, para sa mga goals na napakahaba pa ng tinatawag nating realization date. So, importante po na ganun. Pero pag tayo naman ay nangailangan, syempre alam nyo na, kahit papano, kailangan may liquidity din. So, the good thing about it is that you get the best of both worlds. Hello mga ka-RFF, this is again Rex Mendoza from Rampver Financials. Happy New Year! It's really our fervent hope and prayer that 2024 unfolds to be a very prosperous one for all of us. This is going to be such an exciting video kasi po sa videong ito, ipapaalam namin sa inyong lahat that Rampver Financials has a new partner at ang dami pong naghihintay ng partnership na ito. We'd like to let all of you know that Rampver Financials has partnered with Call Investment Management Inc. Ayan! Really exciting po, di ba? CMI or Call Investment Management Inc. formalizes the entry of the Call Financial Group into the asset management business. Through CMI, pinasok na po ng Call Financial Group ang larangan ng managed funds or mutual funds. And it is our honor and privilege to say that CMI funds or call funds are going to be in the roster of Rampver Financial's mutual funds that we will use, infuse into our portfolios, and strategically manage so that you get to fulfill your financial dreams. Napaka-exciting po, hindi ba? Ang dami na nating pinag-usapan tungkol dito. Ngayon, nagkatotoo na. Dalawa po ang kanilang funds. Yung una, Call Equity Index Unitized Mutual Fund Inc. Ang haba naman ng pangalan yan. So, papaikliin po natin for our discussion, Call Index Fund. Yan. At ang pangalawa, Call Strategic Growth Equity Unitized Mutual Fund Inc. Ang haba din. So, paikliin natin, Call Strategic Growth Fund. Yan. Really an exciting set of mutual funds to get within the Rampver family of mutual funds. Di ba? Tayo po ay open architecture. Partner natin lahat ng provider na yan. At hindi po pwede na napakatanyag at napakagaling na asset management firm in CMI or Call ay hindi nating magiging partner. So, dito po, tamang-tama, sa opening ng 2024, yan po ay kasama na ng aming platform sa Rampver Online. At para doon naman sa mga hindi investment savvy, magagawan po natin ang paraan yan. Through Rampver Financials and through our comprehensive suite of financial management services, abay, makakapag-invest po kayo ng walang sakit ng ulo. Digital man or face-to-face, kami po ang inyong mutual funds and managed funds expert at matutulungan namin kayo para makapag-invest kayo sa napakagagandang produktong ito. Reviewin muna natin, ano ba talaga ang mga advantages ng mutual fund? Kasi syempre, yung mga advantages na yan din ang advantage ng both the Call Index Fund and the Call Strategic Growth Fund. These two being both equity funds. Syempre, number one, simplicity. Alam nyo naman talaga, lagi kong sinasabi ito, marami naman talaga sa atin. Ayaw na nating intindihin ang stock picking, ang pag-analyze ng market at ang pagbabantay. Para sumimple ang ating buhay, abay, let's go with the big boys at tayaan natin sila sa kanilang galing at sa kanilang eksperyensya sa merkadong ito. So, ang trabaho at responsibilidad natin ay mag-invest at hayaan na natin sa kanila ang sakit ng ulo. Tandaan nyo, stressful yung investing na yan. Kaya nga po, sabi nila, madaling tumanda ang mga investment managers. At madaling, alam nyo na, nagdaan din tayo dyan. Second, syempre, affordability. Abay, noong unang panahon po, hindi kayo makakataya sa mga ganitong klaseng funds kung wala kayong milyon-milyon. Ngayon, for as low as 1,000 at mas mababa pa dyan, tayo ay makakapag-invest na. Alam nyo po ba, itong Call Financial Group, meron niyang private clients eh. In fact, this investment prowess has been an exclusive benefit of these private clients. Kaso lang ha, pag hindi ka naman institution, pag hindi ka naman ganyang kalaki, hindi nila aalagaan ang pera mo. Pero dahil sa naglunsad na sila ng kanilang mutual funds, that prowess, that expertise is now available to all of us kahit wala tayong milyon-milyon na i-invest. Number 3, diversification. Kung 1,000 o kahit na pagpalagay nyo 5 or 10,000 or even 100,000, gaano mo madadiversify ang portfolio mo sa liit ng perang yan. Pero alam nyo, sa halagang 1,000, 5,000, kahit 100,000, tayo ay nakataya dun sa basket of securities ng hawak ng dalawang funds na yan. So, ibig sabihin, para tayong nakatahi dun sa malaking mga investments na nangangailangan ng bilyong-bilyong kapital. Tayo po ay nakabakas sa larangan ng malalaking players na ito. And we don't only get that expertise and that experience, we also get what you call market clout. And because of that, ano pang added convenience? Pwede po tayong pumasok at lumabas ng napakadali. There is liquidity. Maglalagay ka, magre-redeem ka. Mabigat po yun na maaari tayong makapasok-labas at makakuha ng ating pera. Unlike other investments na medyo tali tayo. Yes, mutual funds, as we always say, are long-term investments. At dahil sila ay long-term investments, dapat po ang ating perang inilalagay dito ay para sa ating pagre-retiro, para sa mga goals na napakahaba pa ng tinatawag nating realization date. So, importante po na ganun. Pero pag tayo naman ay nangailangan, syempre alam nyo na, kahit papano, kailangan may liquidity din. So, the good thing about it is that you get the best of both worlds. These are great long-term investments, but they are also liquid if, in case, something untoward happens. And lastly, ito po yung commonality sa mga advantages is the tax benefit. Kasi po, walang taxes ang earnings ng mutual fund. Because by law, sila po ay nabigyan ng insentiba para po kayo ay mag-isip ng long term. At dahil doon, tinanggal po ng gobyerno yung taxation on the earnings that you get from mutual funds. That being said, ano naman ang mga unique na mga bagay tungkol sa mga funds na ito? Unahin natin yung Call Equity Index Fund. Nakataya po yan sa mga stocks sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Pero index fund siya. So ito po yung klase ng fund na hindi tayo tumataya sa fund manager kasi kinokopya lang nila yung equity index. Ano ang magiging advantage natin dito? Ang advantage dito is cost. Kasi alam nyo, kung kayo kokopya ng index, magkano kailangan pera mo para tayaan yung 30 stocks na yon at tutukan para yung weighting mo laging kasabay ng weighting based on the decisions of the Philippine Stock Exchange. Maganda po, ibigay na natin yung responsibilidad na yan sa isang reputable asset management company, but because they are not using their expertise, they're not using their experience, dapat po mura. Ito po, siguradong ikatutuwa nyo. Kasi po, ang Call Equity Index Fund ay pinakamababa in terms of cost sa merkado ngayon. Isa po sila sa nagcha-charge ng rate na pinakamababa. So, cost-wise, malaking bagay yan in terms of long-term growth. Pangalawa, sila din ang pinaka-affordable, pinakamababang subscription at additional investment. Pero alam nyo, yung mga advantage na ganyan, ayaw ko masyadong diinan yan dahil kasi pag tayo'y lagi nag-iisip ng minimum, baka naman laging minimum ang ilagay nyo. Hindi ganon. Yung minimum nilalagay para yung mga hindi maka-afford. But if you can afford to invest more, why not? It is for your future and the future of your loved ones. Ayan. And lastly, ito po, medyo kagulat-gulat. abay walang redemption fee. Bakit walang redemption fee? Dahil walang holding period. Alam niyo po, kadalasan ng mutual fund, kahit papano talagang dapat pipilitin kang to invest, within a period of 6 months. At pag ikaw ay lumampas ng 6 months, wala ka ng redemption penalty. Pero pag ikaw ay hindi tumagal ng 6 months, tapos nangailangan ka ng pera, pag ikaw ay nag-redeem, papatawan yan ng early withdrawal penalty. Dahil di ba nga, dapat long-term ka mag-isip. Pero, dito sa call equity index fund, nagtitiwala sila na ang papasok dito talaga naman pang long-term. So, kahit ito po ay walang redemption period, dapat naman long-term tayo mag-isip. Although, ang advantage din nga, pag tayo ay biglang nangailangan, wala silang redemption fee. Dahil, sigun nga, dun sa pagiging no holding period ng fund na ito. So, kakaiba po. Very competitive. Dahil alam nyo talaga, ang totoo naman, ang mga index funds, ang tawag dyan, vanilla flavored. They're general, di ba? So, ang real differentiation sa mga yan ay laging cost. At napakaganda po dahil ang Call Equity Index Fund ay pinakamababang cost across the board in all of these facets where cost becomes relevant. Ano naman yung Call Strategic Growth Fund? Paano naman ito naiiba? Ito po yung flagship product ng Call Investment Management Inc. At ba't ganun? Dahil dito sa Strategic Growth Fund, talagang ibubuhos nila ang kanilang galing at ito ang talagang magiging value proposition ng fund. Number one, it's actively managed. So talagang makikipagtagisan sila ng talino, hindi lang dun sa index or Philippine Stock Exchange Index na kanilang magiging benchmark or sukatan ng kanilang galing. Pero syempre, makikipag-compete din sila sa ibang asset management firms na nagmamanage ng funds on an active basis. At gaya po ng Call Equity Index Fund, wala din silang holding period at wala ding redemption penalty. Pero hindi po yan talaga ang differentiation dito. Ano ang pinakamabibigat na value proposition ng Call Strategic Growth Fund? Pinakamabigat po dito ay ang kanilang flexibility in asset allocation. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kasi po kadalasan, pag sinabing equity fund, talagang kailangan kargado ka ng equity. Si Call po, ginawa niya ng paraan para siya ay maging flexible sa asset allocation. Which means, pag maganda ang market, pwede niyang itodo ang funds at itaya sa mga stocks na tinetrade sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Pero pag medyo may kababaan ng market, may pagkatumal at malaki ang tendency bumaba pa, alam nyo bang pwedeng humawak si Call ng fixed income securities? In fact, kahit nga up to 100%, they can make it cash. Alam nyo, totoo yun kasi in many places, more sophisticated markets like the United States, cash is an asset class. Cash is an allocation. Kasi, di ba, pag bumababa ang market, ano ang mas magandang hawakan? Cash or stock? Kasi pag nasa stock ka, mawala ng value yung pera mo. Pero pag nasa cash ka, wala kang tama. But you are ready to pounce when the market turns. Kaya po, kumbaga sa perspective ng asset allocation, total return fund itong si Call Strategic Growth. Kasi para siyang pwedeng tumodo on the equity side. Pwede siyang tumodo on the fixed income side up till cash. Value proposition pong napakabigat niyan. And that is a responsibility that is within their shoulders. Kasi alam niyo po, sa mga total return fund na ganyan, it can go either way. Hindi naman yan advantage dahil nabigyan ka ng lisensya to do it. Kung mahina-hina kang fund manager, pwedeng umakyat yung market, nasa fixed income at cash ka, maiiwan ka. Or pwede rin naman na bumababa na yung market, nakatodo ka pa rin sa equities. So again, it's a double-edged sword, pero ito pong Call is taking this double-edged sword with all its might, expertise, and experience kasi kaya nilang i-manage yan. Di ba nga kung natatandaan nyo, sinabi yan ng uncle ni Spider-Man, with more power comes greater responsibility.
With great power comes great responsibility.
So anong itataya ni CMI dito? Itataya niya full capability for fund management ng Call Financial Group. Yan! Talagang yung dating ibinigay nilang powers at ibinigay nilang benepisyo sa kanilang private clients, magiging available ngayon sa lahat ng investors ng Call Strategic Growth Fund. Yung track record na yon, which is not an indication or a guarantee for future results, pero dahil napakita nilang kaya nilang gawin in the past, siguro naman po talagang pwede nating tayaan for their future. But let me tell you the most important factor for me. The most important factor that I always look at in any fund management or asset management platform is the people behind it. At the end of the day, tao-tao po ang larangang ito. Tao ang nagdadala ng performance. Ang galing ng mga tao behind any fund will dictate real success for the future. At sa tao naman po behind these funds, wala tayong matatawaran. Dino Bate, President and CEO of the Call Financial Group. Kasama din po dito si April Lee Tan. Kilalang-kilala natin siya. Siya ang Chief Equity Strategist ng Call Financial Group. Juanis Barredo, siya ang Chief Technical Strategist ng Call Financial Group. At bukod tangi, ang presidente ng Call Investment Management Inc. Walang iba kundi si Marvin Fausto. Abi, talaga pong jump pa lang sa mga taong yan. Abi, talagang pwede mong talagang tayaan ito. I mean, it's not just because of what they have done, it is the very people that they are. They're putting their names on the line for the performance of these funds. Pero syempre po, hindi natin pwedeng ma-miss ang tao na talaga namang hinangaan nating lahat at idol na idol ko sa larangan ng negosyong ito. Walang dilit iba kundi si Mr. Edward Lee, ang chairman ng Call Financial Group, Inc. You know, the thing about Edward is not his wisdom and his experience in markets. It is not the wealth of knowledge that he has accumulated through all of his years. It's not even that capability that has put Call at the pinnacle of the stock brokerage industry in our country. And it is not only the generosity of this person to spend a lot of time and effort in educating many Filipinos with that end in mind that every Filipino deserves to be rich. Hindi po lang yung mga bagay na yan. I have seen this person at work. I have seen him with family and friends. And the most important perspective for me ay ang kanyang pakikitungo sa kanyang kapwa-tao. This person, an industry icon na pwede po nating pagkatiwalaan ng ating pera. With Edward Lee in the picture, I am so confident about the future of CMI, their two funds, and their entire management team. At kaya po, niluluto pa lang nila yan, sinasabi ko na, Edward, magpa-partner tayo ha, kailangan kasali sa kwento ng CMI ang Rampver Financials. And again, it is my honor and privilege to tell all of you that that is happening today. And through Rampver Financials, makikita nyo yung dalawang fund na yan. Pwede na kayong mag-invest. Download Rampver Financials. It's an app for your mutual fund investments. Siguro magtataka kayo, bakit Rampver Financials? Kasi gusto namin centralized ang mutual fund investments nyo. Yung nakikita mo yung asset allocation mo sa lahat ng managed funds, doon ka pumili ng mga rekomendadong funds at alam mo yung total return mo kasi makikita mo doon sa aming platform. On top of that, you will also see the performance of each fund. So pag medyo may fund na medyo hindi maganda ang performance, pwede mo siyang palitan ng ibang fund from the same menu of products that are available. At syempre, lastly and most importantly, by going through Rampver Online and going through Rampver Financials, even on a face-to-face basis, tayo po ay nagkakaroon ng extra layer of service and advice. At maaari pong sabihin din naman namin na may value din kami sa larangan na yan. And the most exciting thing is, You're not even paying extra for it. Lahat po ng mutual funds ni Ramper Online at ng Ramper Financials ay ginagawa naming available sa inyong lahat without you having to pay for it. Yan pong mga partners natin yan ang nagko-compensate kay Ramper Financials, kaya po hindi sa inyong manggagaling ang kabayaran ng aming mga serbisyo. So, from here on in, I hope you can entrust your mutual funds and managed funds investments through Ramper Financials. And moving into the future, make the Call Equity Index Fund and the Call Strategic Growth Fund an integral part of your portfolio. Again, kami po sa Ramper Financials, we will handhold you throughout this process and make sure we're on the pathway to making your financial dreams come true. Ito pong muli, si Rex Mendoza from Ramper Financials. Really wishing you a Happy New Year and an ever-prosperous 2024 for you, your entire family, and loved ones. Blessings always.